Hey, what's up, everybody? So everybody knows I've switched over to the Mediterranean cuisine. This is one of the most authentic flavors in the city. A good friend of mine, Roni, he's got a shop on Barton and Grays, and also on Upper James.
Just after the lake, 1242.
1242 Upper James, definitely. It's charcoal rotisserie chicken. He's the chicken Jedi, guys. See you later, Ron. Thank you so much. You have a great day. And it's the most authentic flavor. He's perfected the recipe right down to the spice. Check it out.